Good morning, and it is our first day out after Hurricane Ian, and we've decided to come to Vineland Premium Outlets to have a quick look around and also go to the Disney outlet store. So in the words of Chris Goforth, come along, come on. Still a few shops that's closed due to the hurricane. But we'll see what's here. By the looks of things, there's been quite a bit of flooding around here. There's sandbags everywhere and there's a lot of people clearing up the stores. Seems as though all the stores, or most of the stores, have now opened from 1 o'clock. So we've obviously just been cleaning up storm damage and things, but we're looking very busy now. And we're still in line. And we're in. So that's a t-shirt that I wanted with the matching neck-cut jacket. They don't have the jackets in and they've only got smalls left on the shelf. And unfortunately that is the issue you have at the outlet store, is it's all the sizes that they couldn't sell. So like I say, that is one of the issues of the Disney character outlet. It's a lot of time it's items from the park, and when they've went out of season, or they've run out of sizes, so they only have one size left, they get shipped to here. Now unfortunately the things that I wanted were only in size small. But if things are in your size, then you can grab yourself a bargain. Just for a little bit more randomness, we've decided to come to what was supposed to be the world's largest McDonald's, but it isn't anymore. It used to be, but not now. Now I think they call themselves the most unique McDonald's. Pizzas, pastas, you know, McDonald's menu. Dessert station where they would normally have gatos and ice creams and things like that, but it's a little bit limited today because of the hurricane. Cheesecakes. Yep, this is a McDonald's. So we're going to go to Congo Miniature Golf here on International Drive. And they've got gators.
You almost had it. You're making them work for him, buddy.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Now how many that was?
5?
4 or 5.
4 or 5, he says.
That's the jewel.
Give him a 4.
Where that's going. Oh, I'm actually going to live harder.
There's jewels, I tell you, jewels! That's your home! That's your home! Go home, ball!
Right. Right, from your back, put the weight on back.
That'll be 4. Good second shot.
Are they just little huts? Yeah.
There's nothing in this.
It's like a leaf. Oh, well, it's finished. Come. Just like that. Stop.
Ooh!
Can you?
Dun 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 dun. You just gotta hit it and hope.
Yep.
Come on now.
Where the hell's this gonna go?
I see dead people. No, we're on with. Well, that was Congo River Adventure mini golf here at International Drive, Florida, and it was good, very good. Anywho, shall see you all tomorrow. Now it's time to do your job.